Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a points and high score code. So when the points code is higher than the high score, then it'll change, then the high score will change just like that. And let's get into today's video. Okay guys, now that we're in our project, we have to start by making two different variables. The first variable is, you guessed it, the score, and the second variable will be high score. Now you can name these anything you want. I'm going to make it simple, and let's get into it. So we're going to start off with the basic one flag click block because that's the best block, right? And so we just want to make it so whenever we restart the game, the score will be reset to 0. So what we are going to do is one flag clicked, set score to 0. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to actually start on, so we're going to make it so when he's clicked, there's going to be one score added. So I will demonstrate a different way that you can do this later on, but for now we're just going to start with this more basic way. So we're going to go to the events, and when this sprite clicked, we are going to go back to variables and do change score by 1. And easy. That is all the score code actually, and you can reset it just like that, but the high score is not working yet. So we're going to grab another one flag clicked block, and we are going to use a forever loop in the control section. Let's see, here it is. And we're going to do something else here. We're going to grab a if, and then this weird shape, then block. So we're going to go to operators, and we're going to grab, either one of these works, but I'm just going to use this one. And we go back to variables, and we will drag the high score code right here. So if the high score is if the high score is less than the score, there we go, then we're going to do set high score to the score. And there you go, that's all the code for that. And let's try to run it now. Perfect. And when you reset, the high score stays the same, but your score goes down. And you just have to try to keep beating the high score. And you can implement this in anything, games, animations, whatever you want. And also a little tip, if you don't like these being there, like if they're in your way for a little bit, you can hide the variables, or you can show the variables with these blocks. And just for some little creative time, we're gonna duplicate this costume, and you can do anything for this, but I'm just gonna make it so when he's clicked, his head's just gonna move up because I'm too lazy to make an actual good costume. And so now when the sprite clicked, we are going to switch costume to the next costume, which is the head tilted up, and we'll wait 0.2 seconds, just like that, and then switch costume back to the original one. And let's run this through and see how it works. So the high score is currently 15, and whenever we click on that, he bobs his head up and down. And let's see if we can get to, alright, cool, we beat the high score. And that's going to be all the code for that, but now I'm going to jump into a more complicated high score code, so I'll see you then. Okay guys, so for the second option of the score and high score code, what we're going to do is make his score increase by 1 every second. So basically, you're just going to keep the exact same code, but we're just going to drag this over here and drag this over here to destroy it. But make sure you keep these two right here. Now what we're going to do is one flag clicked, first let's reset the score. One flag clicked, we're going to use a forever loop right here. So one flag clicked, forever, wait 1 second, let's see, so we're going to do wait 1 second in the control section, and change score by 1. Let's see, change score by 1, perfect. So now, every 1 second, his score will change by 1. And if you want to, you can make the score change by 2 every 1 second. Or you can make it every 0.1 seconds the score changes by 1,000. or 100. So you can just kind of mess around with that and have fun with that. But that's it. But I will show you one example of how this code can be used in a game. So, okay guys, this is an example of where you can use or not the high score code, but kind of like the point system. So I made a game where every time you click on the duck, you get 1 point, and I also have like a shop system, and you can buy stuff, and I will demonstrate it right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give myself some stuff. And in the shop, you can buy things such as these accessories, such as this, and that's basically it. But I do encourage you to make some fun games like this, and goodbye. Okay guys, so for this next, okay guys, so for this next section, what we're gonna do is every second his score is gonna be in we're just gonna forget that it